Hello friends and welcome back. Today I'm going to share with you my second project for La La Land Crafts for the February 2020 new release, and I'm going to be using this adorable stamp set. It's called In My Heart, and it has all these super adorable little critters, and each one of them is holding or hanging from a heart. The sentiments are all pretty much there's a couple of generic ones in there, but a lot of them actually go with each little critter, and they're super cute. I'm going to use the Happy Valentine's Day one today. I'm also going to be using this new pocket die, and this is the horizontal pocket die, and this is really easy to use. It's got the tabs on the side, it's score lines, it's very easy, and I will show you how to use that. I'm also going to use the Love You More die, and this one kind of layered, the word more layers. I'm going to be using the paper pack Love You More. There's a lot of Love You More in here. And I picked out these papers here, but I am gonna change up that black and white paper at the end, but I will leave everything in. So now I'm just gonna cut everything out and then show you how to put it all together. So here is the pocket die. Super easy. It makes these score lines that create these little tabs on the back. Just use your bone folder to reinforce all of these score lines. And then right along that back, right where you see all that, is where you will put all of your tape to set it down onto your card. And that pocket fits on an A2 size card base, so super easy to use. I'm going to layer up my panels here onto my card base, which is an A2 size card base. And I tried to match from my stash the colors as best I could for the solid papers, and I think I did a pretty good job. It came out pretty cute. I'm going to use the black on top of the pink, which is going to go behind the green. The green is actually the back side of that pocket, the paper that I used to cut out the pocket. So it's got the pretty green on the back and then those gorgeous red flowers on the front. And now I'm going to place down my last panel, and for this one I used the stitched rectangle die to cut that one out. And now we're going to start working on our pocket. So I'm just going to place tape on the back of each one of those tabs. And I want to line up the Love You More right on top of my pocket. So I'm going to figure out where exactly it is that I want the pocket. I will move it later because it ended up being too high up, but to start it's going to go right there. And I'm going to glue down the Love You More to the front of my pocket. And you can see the layers there. So the very back layer is black, then I used silver, and then I inlaid the more with that same pink that I used for the panel in the back. I have a tag here that I cut out. I do change this tag later because I felt like there was a little too much pattern going on and it kind of drowned out my little animals. But I will finish the card because I actually did it off camera. But I'll point it out when we get to the picture at the end. And now I'm just kind of fussying around trying to figure out where I want all my little critters to go. And once I have decided where everybody's going to look good, I decided actually that I thought that these two would be super cute kind of peeking out behind the tag. So that is where they're going to end up. And in order to make everybody fit, I had to move my pocket down. So I just pulled it up, put some new tape on it, and then stuck it down at the very bottom. And now I'm going to attach the two little critters that I want kind of peeking out behind the tag. And then these two are going to be attached to the tag. So I'm going to glue down my critters in the back. And then I will pull the tag out, place down the giraffe and the koala, and also the Happy Valentine's Day is going to go on the tag as well. And I thought that tag idea was like really cute because this I think would be an adorable card to give to one of your children. And then you could either put a candy bar behind the tag because there's plenty of room in that pocket for like a Hershey bar or something. Or if it's like an older, one of your older kids, you could stick a gift card back there. I think it would be super adorable, that tag. So one of the other things I did that I changed was adding the ribbon to the top. I didn't want ribbon up there. So when I change everything out at the end, when you see the final picture, I'll point it out, but you'll see that I just used solid colors. See the solid color tag? I just did black and then pink on top of that. And then I put my little characters on it. So I want to thank you guys so much for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. I hope you guys are enjoying this new release as much as we are. And I will see you tomorrow with the kit reveal and then the day after with another new project from the new release. So I hope you guys have a wonderful day and I'll see you again tomorrow. Bye bye.